Hello guys, my name is Sajaro and my metric number is 01DDT20F1105. Today, I'm going to talk about how to assemble a PC. So, let's watch the video. Okay guys, firstly you need a desktop and a monitor and power cable which is supply 1500 voltage and VGA cable. For accessory for this PC is a mouse, a keyboard and a speaker. Once you have all the things to fix a PC, to assemble a PC, so let's go for assembling now. Okay, then guys, you have to take this 1500 voltage power cable. So it look like this. So guys, this is the power cable port. Actually, this is the port for the power cable. So guys, you remember, always be careful these kind of things. It's a very fragile. When these like 3 pins in here, they're quite fragile, so you have to be very careful with it. So let's fix it. Next guys is VGA cable. Both ends of the VGA cable are look-alike, so you can plug it either way, it still works. Okay guys, so I will do a close-up here. As you guys can see, these are 2 screws for VGA cable. So remember, always tighten the screw. If not, there will be an electrostatic will happen when you turn on the desktop. Secondly, the monitor will not function because you didn't tighten at desktop. Okay guys, let's fix this VGA cable to the desktop. Okay guys, afterward, once we're done with desktop, so now we're going to fix cable for monitor guys. So this is a monitor we're going to fix. So as you guys can see, at this rectangle shape is a screen actually. So as you guys know, when fixing a cable, all the port for cable port are under here. So I'll recommend you guys to use a towel or any cloth or blanket to put down. As you can see, I have a towel here. So we're going to lay down the PC here. So the reason for doing this is to prevent it from having some scratches on the screen actually. After laying down monitor, so we need power cable. So guys, you can see this is 1500 voltage power cable. So guys, the function of this and the safety purpose all are the same for desktop. So guys, I'm going to plug it in. Moreover guys, you're going to use the same VGA cable which is connected to desktop. So I'm using this thing, the same safety measure applied to this desktop and monitor. So I'm going to connect it. Okay guys, once you're done with the cables, which is power cables and VGA cable, so we're going to put monitor aside. And take the towel away. So guys, you can see here right now this cable is quite nice, so we're just going to do like cable management in a while. So for now, I'm going to put aside all this cable to make it look nicer. Okay, once you put all these things aside, so I'm going to take some accessory for this PC and we're going to connect it. Actually, the accessory which is keyboard, mouse and speakers. So guys, first is mouse, which is using a USB. So I'm going to connect this USB to USB port. And next is keyboard. It's also using a USB. And last is the speakers. So guys, speakers has two things here. One is the USB and one is the speaker jack. So I'm going to connect the speaker jack to the speaker port. So as you guys can see here are three colors, which is red, green and blue. This is microphone port, this is audio in port, and this is line in port. So guys, so this is audio jack that have to connect to audio in port, which is green color, and another one is USB to USB port. Okay guys, once you're done with every single thing with plugging in the cables all, okay guys, as you guys can see here, quite really messy here. So we're going to organize these things. So let's organize. Okay guys, you may ask me why I did cable management here. The purpose of cable management is because to prevent humans or animal to trip over. Second is a water leakage may cause this PC to spoil. Third, it will maybe cause after the water leakage, you may not know that it will cause your house burn down due to electrical shocks. So always remember, be ahead. Always take safety precaution. Finally, we're going to plug in the power cables to the power supply. Actually, I'm using an extension due to we have two power cable here. So let's go.